my crafting friends, welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane. Or if you're new, welcome. I'm Tracy, and I'm so glad you took the time to stop by and craft with us. Because the DIY craft project in this video is celebrating Christmas in July, but keep in mind that it can be used for any season or your everyday, depending on the design you choose. So let's go ahead and get started.
Here are just a few of the supplies we'll need for this simple and fun project. And we start our project with the main supply, and that's going to be a sign of your choice. I'm going to be using this one I made a few years back. And the next important supply is you're going to need a ribbon of your choice. I'm going to be using this velvet ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I found it in their fall section this year. And once we've decided on our ribbon choice, we're then going to take our ribbon and we're going to measure it out in strips, whatever length you want. I'm going to be using probably maybe 2-foot strips, and I'm going to need 5 of them. Once we have our ribbon strips cut, we're then going to proceed to glue them, spacing them evenly across the back side of our board, as I'm showing you here. And once we have our ribbon strips glued down, we'll then come in with a piece of the ribbon and finish off the back side. And this way, it just finishes the back side of your project and adds a little bit of extra strength to your glued on ribbon strips. And now that that's done, we flip our sign over, and as you'll see, the 5 strips of ribbon hanging down from the base of the sign. We then are going to finish the bottom of our ribbon strips, and to do that, I'm going to just hot glue a hem into each ribbon strand. Once I have all my ribbon strands hemmed at the bottom, I then come in with these beautiful little jingle bells and glue them to the ends. The jingle bells add a nice little decorative touch, and they serve as a little weight at the bottom of our ribbon to hold them straight. And once we have our jingle bells glued on, our piece is finished. I'm going to be using mine to hold Christmas cards, but if you do not celebrate Christmas, you could also use it to hold family photos. And the sign could really say anything you prefer. It could also just have your family's last name across the top of the sign, and then have the ribbons dangling down with family photos. I think that would be a beautiful option too.
my crafting friends, that wraps it up for this DIY craft project, and I hope it inspires you to make one of your own. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to our crafting community, go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button, because we would love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. Well, until next time, keep it crafty.